Ventura 6 traffic will be in position prior to arrival.
Multiple departures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 airplanes waiting for the departure.
November 6 Victor Alpha, runway 14, full length lineup and weight traffic is only 2 miles final, Cherokee.
Full lineup and weight, we'll be ready for the go, 996 Victor Alpha.
For public airport information, Victor is current altimeter 2994.
Tower Bonanza 72 Mike Delta is ready, Alpha 14.
Again, 72 Mike Delta, hold short, runway 14.
Short 14 Mike Delta.
רק באמצע, לא ייתן לך.
Ah, this is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful landing. Much better than the first.
November 13 Victor, destination.
Echo.
13 Victor. Good speed to, turn left here on Delta. Turn left on Delta, contact ground. He'll get you over to Echo.
Contact ground on Echo.
Okay, left.
On Delta.
This is the turn. I need you to turn right on Alpha 4. I need you to exit at the runway now. Traffic is in position. Traffic inside a mile final.
Go out, right. She's pissed. Right on Alpha 4, sir.
Right on Alpha 4, 913 Victor.
4 is clear for takeoff. No delay on the roll.
Please.
Oh, 996 Victor Alpha, North.
You're taking your dash.
Ventura 6, runway 14, clear to land.
Clear land, Thursday.
הייתי מהר.
You're taking your dash. She's getting pissed off. Yeah. Okay. Alright, good deal. Oh man, crazy. Okay. Ground 13 Victor Alpha 4 Echo.
זה יותר מדי פסיכי.
זה פסיכי.
זה יותר מדי פסיכי.
זה היה שיגעון היום, השעה. שתי נחיתות האלה זה היה טוב אחד גדול.
הייתה אחלה נחיתה, אבל...
לא, נחיתה עכשיו תוצאה. אבל זה היה חתיכת בלגן.
Cessna 9813 Victor Republic ground, safe parking.
Alpha 4 to Echo.
Alpha 4 to Echo, 9812 Victor.
So 13 Victor, taxi to Echo via Alpha, cross runway 1.
Alpha cross runway 1, 9812 Victor.
Alpha cross runway 1.
איפה זה דלתא? רגע.
Delta was a left and you passed it and then she said, oh, forget Delta, make a right. So it's okay. Alpha over.
פאקר דלתא.
Yeah, she
Cessna
wanted
13 Victor, hold short of Bravo.
hold short of
Hold short Bravo, 9812 Victor.
Okay, Bravo is next, so before, yeah, hold short. I guess that airplane making a right.
Graham Ventura 6, clear the exit on Bravo, right hand.
לפני המסלול.
Ventura 6 Republic ground, taxi to Ventura via Bravo.
Ventura via Bravo, Ventura 6.
Cessna 13 Victor, continue taxiing.
Continue taxi, 9812 Victor.
It's for that Piper, that's why you told you to hold, yeah.
טרנספונדר על הפנים, אין טרנספונדר.
Well, the transponder intermittent, so, you know, it's good that you're replacing everything. I want to get a KT-76C. I have a KT-76A. I want to get a King digital transponder. They're so much better.
That's what I get, right?
No, I think you're getting a Garmin GTX 330. You got the Mode S.
You're gonna take the... Yeah, Mode S.
Yeah, you got a Mode S, yeah. I want to get a King. I want to get a King.
Yeah, he told me everything have to be changed to Mode S, like...
I think 2017,
2017,
yeah, something, 2-3 years from now, yeah. We'll see, maybe I'll upgrade to Mode S, we'll see. I'll rush, I'll decide. As long as it's working. Oh, the Geicos are back.
שפכו איזה 5,000 גלון וחזרו.
No, I think this airplane's about 60 gallons an hour. That's what they burn.
חתיכת כובד הדבר הזה.
Yeah, it's a heavy airplane, yeah, for sure. Big heavy airplane. It's nice how they get all the
כן, אבל יש פה... פעם היה זקן כזה, היה צועק, היה חושב שהוא התחפש למפקד טייסת. מה זה היה צועק עליהם? חבל על הזמן. הנה זה בא גם, כן, עם דרגות מייג'ר.
Major. דרגות של Major, that's a good one. Correct!
היה טוב שטסנו, אתה יודע מה? זה היה טוב.
לא, זה טוב, חימום שתי נחיתות כאלה טובות, סבבה.
טוב שטסנו, וטוב ש... אתה יודע, לצאת מהבלגן הזה.
Very important, very important. Get up and play!
טוק. סגור. Thumbs up.